Did that like malfunction, or is that what it's supposed to do?
I'm not sure.
Me either.